Well, class, part 2 of this video. I got cut off from that. I apologize. So we were working on this example, and to quickly just kind of go over this. So we graph the first one, graph the second one, and remember we had to flip the sign, so it's going to be less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 1.5. And then y is greater than or equal to negative 3x plus 9. And then y is less than or equal to negative x plus 7. Okay, so here's all of our equations right here. So I'll briefly go over this again. X is greater than or equal to 2. We go to 2, it's a solid line. Okay, and x is greater than, so I'm filling in, filling this line right here, just like this. Now y is less than or equal to 1/2 x minus 1.5, so I go to 1.5. Right here, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, 2. Okay, so here we go. We have a solid line, and we know that if we tested 0, 0 is 0 less than or equal to negative 1.5, and we know that that is not true. 0 is greater than, so we can't shade that. We have to shade down on this side. So as of right now, we see that in this area right here is where my solution would be. Okay, all the way from this line, I'll draw this line going down all the way right here, going up. Okay, this way. Okay, so that's done, that's done. And then start at 9. Remember I was cut off here, so down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1 here. So we have this solid diagonal line going in this direction right here. Plug in 0, 0 is 0 greater than or equal to 9, and we know that that is false, so we can shade this side. So as of right now, my only solution right now is what I have right in here, okay, in this area right here, because x is greater than 2, which is over here, and then we have to shade below this line prior, and now we're shading above this line. So right here is my solution to this point. Okay, right. So then we got to put this last line in there. Start at 7, down 1 over 1. So this line goes in this direction right here. Remember, it's a solid line. Okay, so that kind of cuts my solution almost in half right now. So we got to test it. Is 0 less than or equal to 7? And 0 is less than or equal to 7. So for that line, we'll shade this side right here. So you can see my solution kind of is right in here. Okay? Greater than negative 2 is over on this side. Then these lines really talk to me about what needs to occur on my drawing here. Okay? So remember, you're drawing all these lines, use different colored pencils. Use a different crayon colored pencil for each of these lines and see where those colors mix. So you want to see where those 4 colors mix, okay? Where they intersect each other. So here's your homework. Here's the problem that I need you to work on, okay? You may want to make the coordinate plane larger than what I'm working on right now. Okay, obviously. Make it a little bit bigger than the one that I'm working on. Okay, so we can see it a little bit better. Alright, any questions, please let me know. Email me, ask in class. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.